this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video, as you can see, we have a one mobile phone, but screen is broken, screen is not working very well. Yeah, as you can see, there are some damages are here. The display is not coming. Inside this video we are gonna change this. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I would like to open that back panel. Like that. And remove the battery. And also we are gonna remove the screen. And screen has some connection in here. Yeah, as you can see, there are two connector in here. One of them is here, one of them is here. And yes, as you can see, screen, I mean, if you look here closely, the screen also too much damage. I mean, how this happened, I mean, I don't know. This is the broken screen, and also it is separate like that. Yeah, we cannot use anymore. And first of all, I would like to clean that area before we put our new screen using the isopropyl alcohol. It was, I mean, it's so clean actually. We don't need it to clean with isopropyl alcohol, but it is good. Yeah, and also I would like to remove the entire old glue using our knife. Yeah, that. Now we can add our B7000 glue. Yeah, like that. I think it should be enough. We can close our B7000 glue. And as you can see, we have a one brand new screen in here. We should be able to remove that plastic. That green plastic also. And right now we are ready to connect our connector. And yes, we successfully connected our connector, and also plastic in here. And yes, let's plug into our battery in here, and let's try to open it. And yes, as you can see, our Galaxy Samsung Note 3 logo came up. We can close the back panel also, like that. And yes, as you can see, our screen has been open. And let's add some plastic in here. It should be wait about 1 day like that. I mean, 1 day is too much actually. You can be wait that like that. Maybe 3 hours. It should be 3 hours less, you know. You don't need to wait to entire day actually. Yeah, as you can see, our pawn is working, and that one our old screen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.